great for low cost of ownership. But quiet and smooth operation isn't all. We've extended the power boost time from 3 seconds to 9 seconds, meaning you have maximum bucket and dipper tear out for longer. Grading performance has been increased too. Up to 8% faster cycle times, meaning that the new X Series machines are highly productive and efficient. On our 140X and 150X, we have increased that performance even further. A larger bucket ramp over the previous model gives 11% more breakout force, meaning even more power when digging through tough grinds. Both these models are fitted with our 81 kilowatt, 108 horsepower JCB engine. Again, Tier 4 final emission compliant. We have more options too in these machines that will help meet site needs. The new X Series machines can have hose burst check valves fitted to the bucket cylinder, increasing safety when moving palletized loads like you see in front. JCB's own pallet fork attachment is available to suit X Series machines in 13-ton pin size and 20-ton, making them versatile on site between machines.
JCB understand that site needs vary, and we have developed a range of innovative solutions